Setting up YouTube TV on Apple TV is quick and easy. With just a few steps, you can watch live channels, sports, and recordings directly from your home screen. Here's how to get everything ready. Start by turning on your Apple TV and navigating to the App Store. In the search bar, type YouTube TV. Select the official YouTube TV app from the results and click Get to download it. Wait a few seconds for the installation to complete. Once the app is installed, return to the home screen and open YouTube TV. When the app loads, select Sign In. A unique code will appear on your Apple TV screen. On your phone or computer, go to tv.youtube.com/start and enter the code. Sign in with your Google account linked to your YouTube TV subscription. After confirming, the app will automatically refresh and load your full YouTube TV interface. Now you can browse live TV, access your library, check recordings, and watch on-demand shows. For the best performance, make sure your Apple TV software is up to date by going to Settings, System, Software Updates. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.